Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Kaleji Masala. In a wok or in a pan, we are going to take 1 cup of oil. We are going to heat it up. We will add 1 medium-sized onion, thinly sliced. We are going to fry it until it's like golden brown or kind of light pinkish. When the onion turns light brown, we are going to be adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We're going to cook it for 10 to 15 seconds or until you can smell the fragrance of the ginger and garlic. Now I will lower the flame and add all the spices: half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. We're going to add them all in the oil and mix it all together. Once everything is well combined, I will add 2 medium-sized tomatoes and we're going to mix it, and then we are going to cover it and let it cook on low heat for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we are going to remove the cover and we are going to mix everything together. Try to mash everything, try to mash the tomatoes, and then we are going to add 1.5 pound of mutton or beef liver. We are going to mix it. We call it Bhuna. We're going to mix it for 5 to 7 minutes. After mixing it for 5 to 7 minutes, it's going to look something like that. At this stage, when you don't see any liquids, you are going to add 1 tablespoon heatful or 2 tablespoon level of yogurt. We are going to mix everything together. Once yogurt is fully cooked and mixed up, we are going to add some coriander or cilantro leaves, some green chilies, and some slices of ginger. I will also add half teaspoon of dried fenugreek. I will cover it and let it simmer for 5 to 10 more minutes or until the kaleji is tender. After 10 minutes, if there is any water, we are going to let it dry. Once it's all dried up, we will garnish it with some cilantro and it's ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.